Good afternoon. My name is Simone and I am number 36. Today I'm going to discuss the colonial expansion after 1750. I have a grade 10 class in High School Phoenix and they consist of 30 learners. Each of the learners are second language speakers of English and they have a medium proficiency. Before my introduction, I will ask my pertinent question. I will go to someone's table and take their pencil case off of their table and ask them, what would you do now that I took something that belongs to you? And I expect answers like, I will fight you for it, or I will take it back, or I will call my mother. After they answered me, I will ask them, what if I was a vicious person and I would hurt you if you disobey me? Then I expect different answers like, I will still fight you, or I would leave it because I do not want me or my family to get hurt. Then I will go to my introduction. So in my introduction, I will wear dirty clothes and ropes around my wrists. I will hand out a circular map for each learner. After that, I will show the learners a video about how the VOC came to South Africa. While watching the video, the learners need to make notes on their circular map by writing down keywords. Afterwards, they will have to explain the video to me and explain to me what they experienced out of the video. After they watch the video, I will introduce my vocabulary by asking them what slavery is. Then I will move on to my 3 activities during my lesson. So firstly, learners have to divide themselves into groups. They will read the first slide and afterwards they will discuss it, which will be my second activity. During the first and the second activity, I will only assess them by means of observation. And then if they have a question, I will answer them. Then, the third activity, the learners will have to provide feedback to me and explain to me what they believe happened in the lesson. The other groups will either say whether it's wrong or right by giving a red card for wrong and a green card for right. If one of the other groups disagrees with the group that answered me, they have to explain to me why they disagree and what they believe is the correct answer. If all the learners do not understand a slide, then I will explain it to them. And they will do it with each of the following slides afterwards. After they are done, I will explain to them what the SMART task is. So, at the end of my lesson, learners will be able to write a 5-page essay about colonial expansion after the 1750s. They will discuss how Britain took control over the Cape, the Zulu Kingdom and the colony of Natal, the cooperation and conflict in the high veld in the essay. The learners will have 2 weeks to write this essay and I will assess this essay or assignment by means of a rubric. The language SMART task within this assignment is firstly they have to read the content that they have researched. Afterwards they have to write it down. Within their written assignments, I will assess their spelling of names and provinces and their grammar.